More on that in just a moment. First, let's get you caught up on what to expect for your Thursday. It's 45 in Austin, feeling like 43 with that little bit of a northwest breeze. Even colder, though, up in northwest Texas, 21, the coolest I've seen so far in Lubbock this morning. That cooler air continues to filter in behind yesterday's storm system over the next couple of days, so it's still going to look great. Sunshine today, tomorrow, and most of Saturday, too, but just know it will be getting cooler even under the sunshine. Things do start to change, though, as early as Saturday afternoon as winds switch out of the southeast. We get cloudy. We eventually see some rain filter in. That's all courtesy of our next storm system, which may even turn some of that rain even into snow this weekend. So lots more to talk about for the end of the weekend. The next few days remain quiet with highs in the 50s and 60s. There is your next weather maker for the end of the weekend. It is still a long way from home. In fact, a little under 3,000 miles away from home. Why is this an impact to the forecast? Our computer models need data and lots of it to give us a more accurate forecast. Weather balloons are launched at these 64 sites all across the country 2 times every single day. Since that storm system is still off in the Pacific, we're not getting good data from those weather balloons and from the storm. So I think it's going to take until at least tomorrow morning for us to get better data on this storm. So just know forecast is still very shaky, but we can just about guarantee that there's going to be snow falling somewhere in the Lone Star State. Just can't guarantee it here just yet. There's your next weather maker. Depending on where it goes, we could see some snow filter in through the northern half of the state and perhaps into the northern half of our area. But as I mentioned, where this thing goes is going to make and break that storm chance, just like what happened on New Year's Eve. If the storm path is farther towards the north in the Lone Star State, Red River, North Texas could be dealing with an impactful winter storm snow event. If that's path shifts farther towards the south, then yeah, I think Central Texas could dip its toe into some of that snow fun. This would be on Sunday, but again, without that good data, it's hard to tell for now. Here's what we're thinking so far in the forecast, and remember, this is going to change, but I think snow is going to be possible for our northern counties, Milam over to Mason. It's going to be possible, but less likely farther towards the south, and it's way too early to talk about accumulation, still uncertain. And depending on how much accumulates, which again, we don't know yet, there could be some travel impacts. We just can't tell you where just yet. So stay tuned. It's a very interesting forecast. I can at least guarantee you some rain on Sunday. That's a 100% rain chance with perhaps a ½ inch to 1.5 inches of rain for most of our area. So we need all the rain we can get. That'll knock some cedar out of the air, no doubt, and hopefully help with the drought as well. Behind that chilly rain on Sunday, a high of just 42, we're still chilly through most of next week.